So I'm doing a quick update on the PC control system. I put it on my laptop instead because it's easier than reprogramming it on the Raspberry Pi every time. Just one line has to change for the communication port. Very easy. This is the temperature and fan controller now. So it can accept up to 6 temperature sensors. I'm using the BME 280. It's this PCB. There's a few versions of them. This is the SPI version. This one's the purple one if you want to find it. I heard it's pretty accurate. It's got pressure as well and humidity. And fan controllers. I had to hook them up. They're all parallel, all the connections apart from the clock select, which is hooked up to a shift register. Since each fan is PWM controlled and I'm taking a reading from the tachyometer, so that's 12 pins in total that this is taken up for the fans. Factor in this, I think there was enough, I didn't count. But I decided for a shift register anyway. So I had to modify the Adafruit BME 280 library to work with a shift register. And this works well for all fans. I'm putting my finger on it now. It updates. You can change the update speed, and it shouldn't have too much impact on performance because it's multi-threaded. I want to make it multi-processed, but for now it's multi-threaded. So I even put some. I'm measuring the graph update. I put a delay of 0.5 seconds, and I was testing it. Is the slider, does it interfere with this? Without multi-threading, there'd be a 0.5 second delay. You can see there is a bit of delay sometimes. That's because I haven't made this code efficient yet, which is the next step in the process. And as you see, there's a graph that updates. These are for the individual temperature sensors. There's only one connected, so these default to 0. And there's 5 lines here that are at 0. There'll be fan speed stats. You can measure. I also put fan deviation, so if the fan's not spinning fast enough to what it should be spinning, it will count. If it reaches a certain number of counts, it will start flashing a warning like warning fan 1, this is temperature, but there'll be fan displays here. Fan 2, fan 3, fan 4, up to 6. And that's it really. I have to further finish this and then move on to the next sections.